Welcome again to my crypto channel where I share the best dApps and DeFi projects. Today I have a quick tutorial on how you can get started with the Pig Pen on the Animal Farm. The Pig Pen is a staking protocol on the Binance Smart Chain, so be sure to connect your MetaMask wallet to the website first or it won't work. Also make sure to have some BNB tokens in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the transaction fees. Every blockchain transaction costs a small gas fee, and that's why you need a minimum amount of BNB. You can buy BNB on Binance or any other exchange. If you need help with setting up your MetaMask and connecting your wallet to the smart chain, watch the video tutorial on my channel. To get started in the Pig Pen you need Pigs tokens. Holders of Pigs tokens automatically become owners of the Animal Farm platform by staking their pigs, and as an owner, you earn BUSD which is generated from the deposit fees and taxes. In addition to BUSD, you will also earn extra Pigs tokens which are being generated from the deposit and withdrawal fees from the Piggy Bank. You can buy pigs on PancakeSwap by clicking the Buy, Add Liquidity link here on the right, so let's do that first. The pigs contract will automatically appear, so you just need to click on the Trade button. I'm going to buy pigs with BUSD, but you can use any other coin. For this demo, I will buy 0.5 pigs. Put in the amount of pigs that you want to swap, and then hit the wheel icon to set the slippage tolerance. I always set the slippage at 0.5, but sometimes this is too low and then I move it up to 1%. Let's see how it goes. I need to confirm the transaction in my Ledger hard wallet, so let's wait until it's done. If this is the first time you swap pigs you will be asked to enable or approve the token, so pay the gas fee and when done, you can buy your pigs. Accept the price change if it pops up, and once the transaction is done, your pigs are sent to your MetaMask. If you don't see the pigs token in your MetaMask, you need to add it manually. Go to PooCoin, look up the pigs AFP token, go to the token contract on BSC scan, and copy the token address. Or you can click on the three dots, select the Add Token to your Web3 wallet option, and it will automatically add the pigs token to your MetaMask. Now you can deposit your pigs in the Pig Pen. Refresh the web page first, and wait until the pigs in your MetaMask wallet show up. Connect to the Animal Farm website, give it a few seconds to update, and if everything works fine, your pigs tokens will appear here. Put in the amount of pigs in the form, and click the deposit button. Pay the small transaction fee to finish the process, and you are done. Congrats! You are now a shareholder of the Piggy Bank and your pigs will start earning you free BUSD and more pigs every day. All you need to do now is compound your rewards and cash out. In the rewards center you can see how much BUSD and pigs you're earning, and if you compound your rewards, your pigs are added to your existing pigs balance and earn you more money, and the BUSD will be sent to your MetaMask. I use the BUSD from here to buy more pigs on PancakeSwap, and then I repeat the whole process. I put some of the pigs in the Pig Pen or I pair them with BUSD liquidity tokens to deposit in the Piggy Bank, compound and claim my daily rewards, and so on. It's an amazing ecosystem, and this is just the beginning. If you also want to get in the Piggy Bank and deposit and time lock your LP tokens to earn massive interests, check out the Piggy Bank tutorial on my channel. I will drop the link below. If you want to join the Pig Pen or Piggy Bank, please feel free to use my referral link in the description below. Your support is much appreciated. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only show you what I do. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and never invest money that you can't afford to lose in crypto. If you need more help, or have questions, please post a question in my Telegram or Discord group, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching all the way. If you like my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.